Peace tech lovers, TechTube here back with a new video, and today the world is facing a new monster that has no mercy whatsoever, which is currently known as coronavirus or COVID-19. But I'm here to tell you that technology has few things under its sleeves, from AI, robots, drones, blockchain, all of that fighting this virus or any other virus and bringing it to its knees. So without any further ado, let's get started. Hello guys, since the first report of coronavirus in Wuhan, China, it has spread to at least 100 other countries. As China initiated its response to the virus, it leaned on its strong technology sector and specifically artificial intelligence, data science, and technology to track and fight the pandemic. While tech leaders including Alibaba, Huawei, and more accelerated their company's healthcare initiatives, as a result, tech startups are integrally involved with clinicians, academics, and government entities around the world to activate technology as the virus continues to spread to many other countries. Here are the ways artificial intelligence, data science, and technology are being used to manage and fight the virus. On top, we have AI to identify, track, and forecast outbreaks. Because the better we can track the virus, the better we can fight it. By analyzing new reports, social media platforms, and government documents, AI can learn to detect an outbreak. Tracking infectious disease risks by using AI is exactly the service Canadian startup Blue Dot provides. In fact, the Blue Dot AI warned of the threat several days before the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention or the World Health Organization issued their public warnings. So AI can definitely recognize certain patterns to determine the possibility of an outbreak. Also, AI helped diagnose the virus as company like InfoVision launched a coronavirus AI solution that helps frontline healthcare workers detect and monitor the disease efficiently. Imaging departments and healthcare facilities are being taxed with the increased workload created by the virus. This solution improves CT diagnosis speed. Also, the Chinese e-commerce giant Alibaba built an AI-powered diagnosis system they claim is 96% accurate at diagnosing the virus in just few seconds. AI is able to identify non-compliant or infected individuals. Also, China have used an AI surveillance system, used facial recognition technology and temperature detection software from SenseTime to identify people who might have fever or be more likely to have the virus. Similar technology powers smart helmets used by officials to identify people with fevers. The Chinese government has also developed a monitoring system called Health Code that uses big data to identify and assesses the risk of each individual based on their travel history, how much time they have spent in virus hotspots, and potential exposure to people carrying the virus. Citizens are assigned a color code like red, yellow, or green, which they can access using the popular Chinese social apps like WeChat or Alipay to indicate if they should be quarantined or allowed in public. AI is also used to develop drugs, as Google's DeepMind division used its latest AI algorithms and its computing power to understand the proteins that might make up the virus and publish the findings to help others develop treatments. Benevolent AI uses AI system to build drugs that can fight the world's toughest diseases and is now helping support the effort to treat coronavirus. Within weeks of the outbreak, it used its predictive capabilities to propose existing drugs that might be useful. On the other hand, we have blockchain, which is helping in processing healthcare claims. A blockchain platform offered by Ant Financial helps speed up claims processing and reduces the amount of face-to-face interaction between patients and hospital staff, which is a very innovative solution and indeed helpful given all the circumstances needed for social distancing to limit the spread of the virus, which lead us to the next solutions. Now, in China, there are drones delivering medical supplies, since it's the safest and fastest way to get medical supplies where they need to go during a disease outbreak. Terra Drone is using its unmanned aerial vehicles to transport medical samples and quarantine material with minimal risk between Xinjiang County's Disease Control Center and the People's Hospital. Drones also used to patrol public spaces, track non-compliance to quarantine mandates, and for thermal imaging. Also, robots are used for sterilizing, delivering food and supplies, and perform other tasks. Robots are not in the risk of the virus, so they are being deployed to complete many tasks such as cleaning and sterilizing and delivering food and medicine to reduce the amount of human-to-human contact. UVD robots from Blue Ocean Robotics use ultraviolet light to autonomously kill bacteria and viruses. In China, Puru Technology deployed its robots that are typically used in the catering industry to more than 40 hospitals around the country. There is also chatbots to share information. Tencent operates WeChat, and people can access free online health consultation services through it. Chatbots have also been essential communication tools for service providers in the travel and tourism industry to keep travelers updated on the latest travel procedures and disruptions. Currently, there are supercomputers working on a coronavirus vaccine. The cloud computing resources and supercomputers of several major tech companies such as Tencent, Didi, and Huawei are being used by researchers to fast-track the development of a cure or a vaccine for the virus. The speed these systems can run calculations and model solutions is much faster than the standard computer processing. My conclusion: in a global pandemic such as coronavirus, technology, artificial intelligence, and data science have become critical to helping societies effectively deal with the outbreak. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. And finally, be safe, stay home, see you in the next video. Peace out.